Good morning to one and all with great joy and immense excitation. I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all present here for the celebration of Teachers' Day. On this beautiful morning, we the learners of grade 8 are going to conduct this event. The light in the world and the beacon in the dark that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. A day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Teachers' Day is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness as we students are eagerly looking forward to tell our teachers how and why they are special to us. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion.
Very well said, Aditya. It's truly an honor to talk about our teachers. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September in India. September 5th is marked as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers' Day is also celebrated in the commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country, he is also known as a great scholar and a great teacher.
Maitri, do you know that there is a saying that the teachers are greater than the parents?
Yes, I know, Aditya. Parents give birth to a child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers also guide us, inspire us, motivate us to become a better person. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will provide back to the society. We would like to extend our gratitude
to every teacher for a selfless service and a dynamic support.
We are grateful to you.
Thank you everyone.
Good morning everybody. As we all know, we always begin a program by remembering God. So let us join our hands for a prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Today is a very special day where we all pay tribute to our beloved teachers. I request Ms. Zui Amburi to pay tribute to our beloved teachers by performing a prayer dance on song called Onkar Swarupa, sung by Suresh Vadkar and album by Sridhar Patke.
Onkar Swarupa. तुझ नमो ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था अनाथाच्या नाथा तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था अनाथाच्या नाथा तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो.
Now, after this amazing performance, we have Marisha Vaingankar for another song on teachers. and this song is based on the love and gratitude of the students for our wonderful teachers.
A song dedicated to our teachers in the melodious voice of my friends Paris and Dia.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर। फूंक मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर 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 खोल दे पर। बजो तेरे बोलेंगे सब अनारी। सबको मनाने की तेरी नहीं जिम्मेदारी। आसमानों पे लिख दे तू हिस्सेदारी। खोल दे पर खोल दे पर खोल दे पर खोल दे पर। बंद घड़ी की भी रुकी हुई सुई होती सही दो दफा। चुप क्यों है रहना मन का तू कहना के चाहे पिया। भूख मार के धुल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे सफर। खोल दे पर खोल दे पर खोल दे पर खोल दे पर खोल दे पर।
So, after the melodious song, now we have the small skit performed by the grade 8 learners. Here is the scene where online classes are going on. I am sure you will enjoy seeing it. So, without any delay, let's begin.
अरे क्या हुआ? इतनी भी क्या जल्दी है?
Mom, my online classes will start today. Where is my laptop?
दिन से घर में इधर उधर पड़ा रहता था, तो तेरे पास उसके लिए टाइम ही कहाँ है? नया मोबाइल जो आ गया है, मैंने वो दादी के ट्रंक में रख दिया है, देख जरा।
Mom, please wait. I am getting late.
तेरे पापा के लाड़ प्यार की वजह से मेरे तो भाग ही फूट गए।
Mom, 5 मिनट में मेरा ऑनलाइन क्लास स्टार्ट होने वाला है। प्लीज वो कुकर मत लगाना।
नहीं, तेरे टीचर तुझे कैसे संभालते होंगे?
It's already 12. I'm not ready yet. What to do? Can we see this? Okay, ready. Okay, boys and girls, I'm taking attendance. Don't leave. Who is this SRK? I don't understand. Why you people don't add your full names? Okay, turn on your video.
Ma'am, that is Shivam Ramesh Kulkarni.
Oh my god. Okay, Shivam, turn on your video. Okay, boys and girls, till Shivam is not turning on his video, no one will be marked present.
चल ब्रो, कर देना तेरा वीडियो ऑन.
पापा present में. Okay, children, MCQ test evaluate हो गया है. I'm sending you the solution. Make sure you go through each and every question. The composition of materials in a single cell. Who is eating? Who is eating? Who is eating?
Cornflakes, ma'am.
ये खत्म हो जाए ना तो अपने मम्मी का नंबर मुझे देना. लास्ट 3 टेस्ट बंक कर रहे हो, घर में बैठे हो तो अपनी मनमानी करोगे क्या?
मैम, एक्चुअली मम्मी कानपुर में फंसी है. सिर्फ मैं और पापा ही है घर पे, तो खाने के लिए जो है वो है.
भगवान, कैसा बच्चा है ये. फिर से अपने कपड़े मेरे वाइट कुर्ती के साथ रख दिए. सारा रंग चढ़ गया मेरे कुर्ती पे.
मैम, नेबर्स मॉम बाजू का बच्चा बहुत नॉटी है.
ओके ओके.
मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. आपकी वीडियो म्यूट पर है.
Gunjan, she is such an idiot. She told ma'am, you're on mute.
Amulya, but you are not mute. We all can hear you properly.
Sorry ma'am, I'm very sorry.
It's okay. Okay, so before we move on to our next topic, Abhinav, tell me, what did we study in our last class? Abhinav, your voice is breaking. Okay, Shruti, you tell me.
Ma'am, we studied about, and rest we are gonna study today.
Okay, okay. Who is playing PUBG? ये क्लास है या क्या है? Everybody go on mute.
अरे देखो जरा, ये लड्डू सो नहीं रहा है, उसको अभी सुलाओ.
ये भी मेरे ही बच्चे हैं. इनके पेरेंट्स ने इनका भविष्य मेरे हाथ में दिया है. तुम रुको, मैं 5 मिनट में आ रही हूँ.
ओके, पर मैं ज्यादा देर नहीं रुकूंगा.
Guys, ma'am worked so hard for us. अभी बहुत हो गई मस्ती. Please be attentive. अरे, मैं किस रूम में आ गई? बेटा, तू ठीक तो है ना? ये मैं क्या सुन रही हूँ? हेलो मैडम जी, कैसे हो? हाँ, मैं सोच ही रही थी कि आपको फोन करना है. अच्छा हुआ आप यही मिल गई. अच्छा सुनिए, एक बात बताऊं, लॉकडाउन में पता चला है कि आप लोगों का काम तो भाई बहुत ही हार्ड है. 2 मिनट तक तो खाना खाने का समय नहीं. कब ये लॉकडाउन उठेगा और कब ये स्कूल जाएंगे? आपको सलाम.
Ma'am, these are not only children. These are future of tomorrow's India. And as a teacher, it's our duty to assure that it is safe. Thank you.
I am sure you have definitely enjoyed seeing the skit. You have seen the efforts taken by the teachers to handle their students and their families. And at the same time, they have to deal with the mischievous aspects of the learners. So teachers, I would like to say thank you for all the efforts you have taken for us. And sorry for our mischiefs.
Let us guess, who am I? Are you excited? Then let's get started.
Good morning everyone.
I am Praveen sir and today I am going to take your maths class. And today we are going to learn some of the formulas of the lesson quadrilaterals. And you have to learn all the formulas by heart. Even when I wake you up at night, you should know all the formulas. Praveen sir, when somebody does any mischief in class, Aryan, come here. Say sorry to her 50 times. Good. Never tease anyone again. Go and sit on your place. Thank you.
Okay, so let's continue with previous chapter. We learned about quadrilaterals and we also learned that a shape more than 3 sides or 3 sides is called polygon. Do you have any doubts? It's absolutely excellent to have doubts. All doubts are welcome here.
Maitreyi, can you stop doing that? I've already told you 3 times. Stop doing it. See, if you're not interested, then please go out of the class right now. You're disturbing the other whole class. Please go. We all are waiting, Maitreyi. Go.
Good morning everyone. चलो चलो सब लाइन में लग जाओ. मस्ती की तो आज खेलने नहीं दूंगा. When सागर sir is on court. ये स्वयं चल रहे भाग. ये ज्योति रहते भाग. आज भागे नहीं तो गेम नहीं खेलने दूंगा. अरे वाह स्वयं, बड़ा अच्छा स्मैश मार दिया. टिंग 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 टिंग. चलो चलो सब घर पे जाओ. टाइम खत्म. चलो, अगर आज नहीं अभी नहीं गए तो कल खेलने नहीं दूंगा. थँक यू.
गुड मॉर्निंग. आता सगळी मुलं आहेत, मग आपण सुरुवात करूया. तर सगळ्यांनी टेक्स्टबुकचं पेज नंबर 22 काढा. ओके, मग आता आपण काय बघतोय की कविता आहे, त्याचं नाव आहे लपंडाव. तर तुम्हाला मी एक लगेच त्याचं सारांश सांगते, छोटंसं सारांश सांगते. ह्याच्यात असं आहे की एक छोटा मुलगा आपल्या आई बरोबर गंमत करतो. ती गंमत कशी करतो? तो विचार करतो की आपण चाफ्याचं फूल झालो तर. आता तुम्ही पण विचार करता ना की स्कूल बंद राहिली तर, चालू नाही झाली तर. तसंच हा पण असा विचार करतो की आपण चाफ्याचं फूल झालो तर. आणि चाफ्याचं फूल म्हणून तो काय करतो? आपल्या आई बरोबर गंमत करतो. आता तुम्ही बघता, तुम्हाला जर लगेच एक गंमत सुचली तर तुम्ही आपल्या बेस्ट फ्रेंडला सांगता किंवा बेस्ट फ्रेंड बरोबर करता. तसंच हा छोटा मुलगा आपल्या आई बरोबर गंमत करतो, चाफ्याचं फूल बनवून. आता तो काय गंमत करतो आणि कशी करतो हे आपण आता पोयम मधून बघूया. चला मग सुरुवात करूया. सगळ्यांनी एक एक 4-4 लाईन रीड करा.
Yeah, you can do it, but I think that I have a better option that it's just, stick some beads on that card paper and decorate it. It would really look so beautiful and amazing, and it's a bit creative, innovative idea. So, you can do it.
Good morning students, welcome to today's English session. So today we are going to take pronunciation of words. The pronunciation of words which are going to take are would, could and should. And I have seen many times in online sessions that you pronounce these words wrong. So the pronunciation of these words is would, could and should. There's a slightly touch of L. L is not completely silent. It's would. Okay, pronounce it.
Good morning everyone. I am Pradnya ma'am and today I am going to teach you science. And today we are going to learn about the lesson metals and non-metals and the physical properties of metals and non-metals. First of all, you have to know all the basic formulas of that and how to balance the equation. And if you don't know this, we cannot move forward and do more equations. Thank you.
मुलांनो, आज आपण संत ज्ञानेश्वर यांच्याबद्दल शिकणार आहोत. संत ज्ञानेश्वरांचे कार्य महान आहे. वारकरी लोक ज्ञानेश्वरांचा उल्लेख माऊली म्हणून करतात. त्याचप्रमाणे समर्थ रामदास यांनीही मनाचे श्लोक, दासबोध यासारखे महान ग्रंथ लिहिलेले आहेत.
सर
एका वेळेला एकच कोणताही प्रश्न विचारेल.
सर मी बोलू का?
बोल बाळा.
मनाचे श्लोक म्हणजे आमच्या मनाचे श्लोक लिहायचेत का?
नाही रे बाळा, रामदासांनी लिहिलेले श्लोक.
Okay, everybody ready now? Yes. So right hand side, left hand side. Yes. You have to do it like that. Okay, now so let's try it with some music. First 4 seconds, we have to wait.
Up and dust yourself back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching.
Hello.
Network not working.
हाँ hello. Hello.
Network not working.
Hello. Hello.
Network not working.
Hello. Hello.
Network not working.
Sir, ma'am is calling. Projector is not working. Sir, ma'am is calling. Please come.